After our tour of Spinalonga Island, we gradually made our way back to our boat. Before disembarking, we had another stop planned. Sadly, I didn't remember the exact name of the beach or the bay, but I know that it was really crowded along the shore, so probably not a hidden gem. That's why we decided to swim right from the boat, which was also an option, of course. The water was crystal clear and reminded me of swimming in a pool, but 100 times cooler because it's a natural body of water. A clear advantage of this tour was the included meal. And honestly, I didn't expect much, but we got a whole menu with veggies and meat, as well as some soft drinks, so it was really well organized. Our final stop for the day was Agios Nikolaos. Straight to the mall where we could buy some stuff, of course. There were many shops along the way, so in case you haven't managed to buy souvenirs during your time in Crete, there is your chance, and they also don't cost as much. The most famous thing about this town is its lake in the middle of the town. We are now in this place called Agios Nikolaos, I think. It's famous for its lake because here two types of water meet, namely fresh water and salty water. And we're not sure if it's like just less salty than the seawater or something, but anyway, so here is like a really nice promenade where you can walk and enjoy some cliffs and boats, and it's really peaceful here. but the place itself is more like touristy, I would say, more for shopping and less for sightseeing, at least from what we saw now. But we'll have a look, maybe we'll find something interesting to do here. According to local tradition, the lake was once believed to be bottomless. Ancient myths also associated it with the goddesses Athena and Artemis bathing there. The lake reaches roughly 64 meters depth, despite being relatively small in surface area. The main streets are full of shops as well, so we bought some cool souvenirs to take home. Walking back to the bus, we noticed another statue that is also connected to Greek mythology. It depicts Europa riding Zeus, who has transformed himself into a bull. The story comes from Greek mythology. Zeus carried Europa to Crete. And that is it about our trip to Spinalonga Island and Agios Nikolaos. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.